Hello guys, and welcome to the review of the Kiev 60. This is a Russian medium format SLR style camera. It doesn't have many options, it just has the basic, your shutter speed, your rewind. Here it has a flash sync, and here is a button you press to shoot pictures. So that's all the high-tech stuff this camera comes with. You also can change this, the viewfinder. Now you have a waist down viewfinder, but you can change it with this prism. So put it on, and now you can see from now. I don't use this much. I rather use viewfinder, the waist down viewfinder, because it gives you another perspective. This camera, it takes 6x6 pictures. It's quite a nice camera, I gotta say. It's my first medium format photography. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on a camera, because like most medium format cameras are pretty cheap, pretty expensive. But this one is quite cheap, I gotta say. It's 60 euros, $60, or between $60 and $100 for the body. And the lenses, this lens, I think, I don't know, you have to you have to look it up for yourself. But this one is a 80mm 1.2.8. This one came with the camera. But because it has the same mounting system as the Pentagon 6, you can also buy lenses from that camera and put them on this one. So I bought this Carl Zeiss Iana. It's a 50mm f4. It's a real beauty, like the epson is, oh, it's so fine. I'm going to show you some pictures of I took with this camera. Most of them I took with this. This is like a portable light meter, because this camera does not have a built-in light meter, except in this one. Here in the prism you have a light meter, but it's broken, so can't use that one. So I use this, just like old school light meter. It works fine for me, and I really like the camera. I hope you like pictures. 35 out.